The story begins in a land fractured by conflict. This is a story about Africa, a story we don't hear enough. Imagine a land divided, tribes against tribes, warlords grabbing power, people living in fear. This was the reality for too long in African countries. The land of shadow of conflicts. But even in the darkest night, a single star can spark hope. In Al-Qaeda Liberation Movement, we believe it. Deep down, the people yearn for peace. Without peace, no life. Without unity, no progress. We dreamed of a brighter future. This yearning, this desire must become a force. Imagine a single drumbeat, then another, and another. Soon the rhythm of change echoed across the land. People are tired of the fighting. They want something different, something better. This desire for a better life, this was the seed of Ubuntu. Across the villages, whispers started. People talked about peace. They talked about unity. These whispers, they became louder, then gave birth to Al-Qaeda Liberation Movement. The idea of establishment of one state of Africa, once a distant dream, started to take root. People's hope of freedom, from different identity document and passport, having one president of Africa, one parliament, and one army. African now believe that maybe, just maybe, things could be different if Africa united. The wind of change is blowing now. Time is now. No more wasting time. This is the message to all Africans. It is no longer whispers. Africa can be saved from imperialism and colonial forces if Africa unite. Listen from this. From the heart of the struggle, Al-Qaeda emerged, a movement of the people, movement that understood people's pain. It shared their dreams. Movement spoke with a voice that resonated with the people. We dream and speak unity and peace. We speak of a future where everyone had a voice. Al-Qaeda Liberation Movement stands of dignity of every African. We do not afraid to challenge the world. We are a symbol of hope. People rallied behind us. They saw in us the leadership they had been waiting for, the leadership that will guide them out of the darkness. Viva and long live Al-Qaeda, the land of our ancestors. My fellow citizens of Africa, we have endured so much pain, but our spirit remains unbroken. Together, we will build a future where every voice is heard, where peace and unity are not just dreams, but our reality. Stand with us, and let us reclaim our land from the shadows of fear and oppression. It is just not the Al-Qaeda Liberation Movement. Leadership only, ordinary people become heroes too. Mothers tired of seeing their sons go to war. Teachers yearning to educate a generation in peace. Farmers wanting to tend their land without fear. They all join the movement. We march, we protest together, we raise our voices. We show the world our courage, we show the world our determination. We were willing to risk everything for a chance at a better future. Our bravery is contagious. It inspired others to join the struggle. This is our country, and we will take it back. We are more than just individuals. We are a community. We are mothers, teachers, farmers, and so much more. We have the power to change our destiny. Together, we can build a future where our children grow up in peace, where our voices shape our nation. This is our movement, and we will not be silenced. The road to democracy. Negotiations and compromises pave the way.
We will continue to pushing for change.
The day will came when the warring factions agreed to talk.
It is not easy.
There is old wounds,
There is deep mistrust.
but we know that the only way forward is together.
They have to find a way to share our country.
They have to find a way to build a future together. The dawn of a new era. Establishment of United States of Africa is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It takes time, it takes patience, it takes work. The journey isn't easy. There is challenges, there is obstacles. There is moments when it feels like they might fall back into old ways. But the people, after tasting freedom, they will forget all pain. They faced each challenge with courage and determination. They learned from their mistakes. They will never give up on their dream of a better future. Fruits of freedom. Peace, unity, and progress take root. Slowly but surely, things will change. The guns will be silent. The violence subsided. Children will go to school without fear. Farmers will tend their land in peace. The economy will start to grow. People will start to prosper. The nation, once divided, started to heal. People from different tribes, different backgrounds, they will start to see each other as brothers and sisters. They will start to build a future together. This is the power of unity. This is the power of peace.
We will see our children laughing again, our fields green with crops, and our markets bustling with life. It was like a dream we had all dared to dream, finally coming true.
A beacon of hope. The nation stands tall, an inspiration to others. The story of this nation of Africa is an inspiration to us all. It's a reminder that even in the darkest of times, hope can triumph. It's a reminder that change is possible. It's a reminder that ordinary people can achieve extraordinary things when they come together and fight for what they believe in. This nation, once a symbol of divisions, became a beacon of hope, a shining example of what's possible when people choose peace over violence, unity over division, and democracy over dictatorship. Their story resonates across the continent and beyond, giving hope to others fighting for their own freedom.
I've seen firsthand the transformation of this nation. It's a testament to the resilience and spirit of its people. Their journey from conflict to peace is a beacon of hope for the world.
A legacy for future generations, the enduring power of unity. This is not just a story. This is a reality of the future of our generation. A future where this nation will continue to grow and prosper. A future where its people will continue to enjoy the fruits of peace, unity, and democracy. A future where their story inspires generations to come. The journey continues. A luta continua, Samora Machel said. There will be new challenges, new obstacles, but the spirit of the people, the spirit of democracy, will see them through. This is their legacy.
We must never forget the sacrifices made, the lessons learned, and the hope that guided us. This legacy is for our children and their children, a testament to our unwavering belief in a brighter future.
Nous capables de bonne espérance au Caire, cœur de l'Afrique, de Dar es Salaam, la ville de la paix. À Yaoundé, ensemble nous formons une seule nation.
Every day we build on this legacy. We teach our children about the power of unity, the strength in diversity, and the importance of democracy. This is our gift to them, a future full of promise and peace. Viva the unity of all Africans. Long live the idea of establishing United States of Africa. Long live Al-Kebulan Liberation Movement.
Il est temps de changer, d'unir l'Afrique comme une seule. Plus de frontières, plus de divisions, nous partageons notre richesse avec une vision claire. Pour la justice et la paix, nous nous soucions tous. Avec amour et force, nous y arriverons. Dirigeants de notre terre d'Afrique, les esprits de Cannes africains, le pays d'Al-Kebulan. Dirigeants de notre terre d'Afrique, les esprits de Kadhafi, les esprits de Kadhafi, Nkrumah, Robert Mugabe, Robert Songwe. Guidez nos jeunes leaders, Ibrahim Traoré et tout Al-Kebulan. Il est temps de changer, d'unir l'Afrique comme une seule. Plus de frontières, plus de divisions, nous partageons notre richesse avec une vision claire. Pour la justice et la paix, nous nous soucions tous. Avec amour et force, nous y arriverons. Dirigeants de notre terre aujourd'hui.